If you let a monkey type randomly on a typewriter for an infinite amount of time, it will eventually type the complete works of Shakespeare. This is the Infinite Monkey Theorem, a mind-blowing proof of how infinity makes even the most improbable events absolute certainties. The odds of typing just a single word like Hamlet by pure chance are astronomically small, taking longer than the entire age of the universe. But with infinite time, every single combination of letters, every book, every history, and even your entire life story is guaranteed to be written. It means a library of everything can be created entirely by random chance. A beautiful proof of the power of infinity, proving that if you let a monkey type,